Here's the app called LEMO. Chill and chat, make new friends. Swipe, say hi to new friends. Online party, make real friends at your live room. Live video chat, group video chat, share moments, music, radio, love diary. Tired of all the same social apps that give you the same content all over again? Meet Lamo. Lamo is the app that lets you meet new people from the comfort of your own room and discover communities with common interests that you were always meant to meet. So that's the idea. And then that's just what you have. And then yeah, here you just have it like that. And then I don't know, then it starts to glitch. All right, so and then you can see it like that. So I don't know how legit is this app. Then you can have your feed, then you have discover, then you can have chat, then you have your account, can bind coins, earn free coins. Then you can also just refer people. So something like that. That's just how you get started. And then that's just what you have. So yeah, invitation reward is so something like that. So try it out.